Hello everyone, it's Bubbles from venomfluidart. Thank you for joining us on another amazing week on the Fluid Art Express with my fantastic art family. Love them all. If you haven't subscribed to their channels, I suggest you do, because they're all amazing talents and beautiful people. So this week, I'm going to have a play with my favourite technique, the Mighty Radial, but this time I'm always using black CA, and it's probably because I love the rock style cells it gives, but I figured this time, let's go for some white. So, Wombat's going to put some tunes on. I'm going to start slapping these colours down. Let's have some fun. I'll be back at the end, guys.
Through the dark night, you try to run but you're too scared. You try to hide but I'm right there. A hunting we will go. A hunting we will go. We will go. I'll wear you down to your last prayer. Can't shake the feeling in the black hair.
Take me down to the river where the peace won't run dry. Gather round at the river where my soul comes to life and I come alive. Here at the river nonchalant in the way that you love me, indifferent to the ways that you wound me. I know the love is real, despite what my heart can't feel. They say stand up for the things you can't stand to lose. I want you to fight for me. I want you to fight for me. A spectator watching us bleed out inside. Mindless surrender, no shame and no pride. I know the love is real, despite what my heart can't feel. They say stand up for the things you can't stand to lose. I want you to fight for me. I want you to fight for me. Shake, shake, shake me awake. Rip me from slumber and fight for me, fight for me. Ache, ache, ache for me, babe. Shout from the depths, beg me to stay. Shake, shake, shake me awake. Rip me from slumber and fight for me, fight for me. Ache, ache, ache for me, babe. Shout from the depths that you want me to stay. Fight for me, fight for me, fight. I want you to fight for me. I want you to fight for me. I want you to fight for me. Shake me away, rip me from slumber and fight for me. I want you to fight for me. For me, babe. Shout from the depths that you want me to stay. I know the love is real, despite what my heart can't feel. They say stand up for the things you can't stand to lose. Waiting on you, we wax and we wane till the love concludes.
Alright guys, well that's it for me this week. That was cool. I haven't used white CA for a long time on radials, but you can get some really cool trippy effects. I hope the close-up reel is really showing you this section here, because I love what some of the cells are doing. They yeah, sort of, I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, you got little cells inside of cells. They're freaking cool. So a bit of fun, something different, change it up. That's what art's all about. Experiment and have some fun. So next up after me today, we have the dynamic duo of Tony and Cat Pender from the Hippy Dippy Painter Man. So follow us on over to the next chat and let the fun continue. Alright, and that is it for me. So until next time, as always, take care, stay safe. I'll see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day. Thanks for watching. Go get messy.
I don't need